Here is a taco recipe using only chapatis. Cut one onion. Slice one green chilli and cut it. Cut ginger and garlic. Cut coriander. Take your chapati dough and make them into balls. Add atta on your rolling plate and pat it. Roll it around using a basin. Now take a bowl and cut it into a shape of a tortilla. Like this. Switch on your stove and place your tawa. Add the rolled out chapati dough. Cook it. Flip it for some time until it forms a good color. Switch on your stove and place your kadai. Add half spoon of jeera, 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Add in chopped ginger and garlic. Add in chopped green chilies. Mix them. Add in chopped onion. Mix them. Add 1 spoon of Garam masala. Add half a spoon of chaat masala. Add salt to taste. Mix them. Add half spoon of Dhaniya powder. After putting that in, mix them. In a bowl, add in your boiled potatoes and mash them. Add 1 spoon of red chilli flakes. Mash it. Add in the vegetables which you are mixing until now with all the masalas. Add in chopped coriander. Now mix them with your hands. Keep mixing. Take your chapati and add ketchup. Spread it around. Add in the potato filling. Make sure to put it properly. Add grated cheese. Now fold the chapati. Repeat the same procedure with the other chapati pieces. After all that, your tacos must be looking like this. Switch on your stove and place your pan. Add oil. We are adding oil because we need to shallow fry the taco. This is a very simple recipe and you might have all the ingredients at home. My mouth is watering just by looking at that taco. This taco is better than the ones you get from outside. This is very healthy. Repeat the same procedure. Your chapati tacos are now ready to serve. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.